All right, home buyers, once your offer is accepted and you're under contract, it's time to get your inspection done. So I'm going to go over 5 things that I think are the most important to look for on your inspection report. Number 1, foundation. Makes a lot of sense, right? Well, this is the basis of the house. So the inspector is going to go through in this general inspection and see if there's any cracks, any sign of shifting, any water damage, stuff like that. If he does have some of those things come up in his findings, it doesn't have to be a deal killer. You may want to escalate it into having a foundation expert coming out there and giving a real opinion on what it looks like and what can be done or not done to fix it and make it better. Number 2, the roof. So the inspector is going to take a look at the roof, see if there's any hail damage, see if there's how much wear and tear is on the shingles, see if there's any sagging, those sort of things, and then he'll make a recommendation. Usually my inspectors will tell me kind of an expected age range that is left on the roof. A regular shingle roof usually lasts about 20 years, they say, but in Texas, with a hot sun here, it tends to last maybe 10, maybe you could stretch it out to 12 years, 15 years. Number 3, the electrical system. So this stuff is important because you obviously don't want a fire started in this house. So they'll take a look at the circuit panels, the wiring, those sort of things, make sure that they're all in up to code. Now, one thing that I will say is a lot of times there may be a GFI plug in the kitchen that is missing or those sort of things. Those plugs are very cheap and can be replaced very easily. What you're looking for are safety hazards that could be pricey, and those are the things that you'll want to negotiate with the seller. 4 is plumbing. So with the plumbing, they're going to look for leaks, any problems with the water pressure, those sort of things. Remember that natural gas, if the house does have natural gas in it, that's part of plumbing too. So that'll be part of the inspection. Again, once we talk about plumbing, electric, roof, those things, if anything extra comes up on those, it could be time to escalate to having an electrician out there, having a plumber out there, or having a roofer out there to do a better inspection and give you an idea. This is all about just a general inspection at this point. 5 is HVAC. So, I mean, how important is this in the Texas heat? We get so hot here in the summertime, you want to make sure that it's in good working order. One good question to ask is if the sellers have kept up on the yearly maintenance to make sure that they're doing their part to keep that HVAC in good working order. Again, your general inspector may give you kind of an estimated age range on when the HVAC system may need to be replaced, but you may need to escalate it into getting an HVAC expert out there. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more.